Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate diagrams in AI in Goodnotes in 2026. Do you want to create a clean diagram without drawing everything manually? Goodnotes AI can generate diagrams for you in seconds. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use it. So let's follow these few simple steps and listen to these instructions. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the application. We're just going to go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're going to look for the Goodnotes application. Once you find it, you're going to make sure to install the application. And then once you install it, you're going to open it and log in with your Google account. After you log in, you're going to create a new document, for example. I'm going to create a new document. Then you're going to choose Notebook and write or type a description of the diagram you want. Let's see. Let's type in a diagram example. Let's write a diagram for cars. For here, or types of guitar. Let's type in types of guitar so it can be more specific. Guitar. Now here, as you can see, the AI tells you to ask. So I'm just gonna write this carefully and write or ask. We're gonna click on ask AI. It's the ask AI feature. So I'm gonna click on ask and I'm gonna click on diagram. I'm gonna copy this right here. You can copy this in that conversation, or you can select all these informations. I'm gonna type in ask guitar. Guitar types diagram. Let's try and see if it works and if he recognizes make one. Let's tell him to make one. Now I'm gonna send the prompts and I'm going to wait for the AI. He says couldn't process your request because you're out of AI credits. Now I forgot to mention that AI, in order to use AI in Goodnotes, you must have a lot of credits. That means like a premium feature. So it requires a premium feature, and if you want to use the AI, so make sure you do that so you can be able to ask AI to generate diagrams. And also be clear and specific in your description. You can use simple language for better results and edit the diagram after generation for accuracy. Now AI generated diagrams save time and make your notes more visual, so use this feature to simplify complex ideas. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.